I'm here in the EnKlein Sutherland room with Ron Sutherland. What do you have at the show this year, Ron?
Hi, Peter. Thank you. We like to change our display every year to kind of do a different kind of presentation. This year we have AMG table, and Garth from Musical Surroundings loaned us this. And very nice of him. So we have a very nice front end, and we're running it through Sutherland phono blocks, mono phono stage, mono line block, mono power amps. So everything is mono all the way from the cartridge to the speakers. 6 mono chassis, and here's the control box that's telling the line stages what to do. We've got the Venture Encore speakers, and they're about 45K. So we have a very upscale system.
Yeah.
Then all the cabling, you can see from the back here, what ties it all together and makes it work. It's the EnKlein cables. Dave and I are sharing the room again this year. We've been able to work together and make some nice shows several years in a row now.
Yeah, you guys make big sound together.
Yeah, we make good sound together.
Yeah, you do.
And we can kind of shake it up with some of the ancillary components and give people a different perspective. Because there are a lot of ways to enjoy the cables and electronics. And this is one way, and every year we try to have a different way.
Well, it's sounding very good. I was in the sweet spot for a little bit there, and great success here with Rocky Mountain. I understand, though, you have a new phono stage out. I understand.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go take a quick look at that.
This is the expensive upscale stuff.
Got it. Okay. And
this
over
is the
here.
new Insight, I-N-S-I-G-H-T. The Insight phono preamp. It retails for $1,400.
That's a good price.
Yeah, it's a derivative product. It's based on the Page 3D, which is my battery-powered one. This has the AC power supply in a nicer case. And here we have a separate compartment for the power supply and a compartment for the audio. Each channel has the same layout, exactly. So each channel is going to see the same circuit and the same layout. It keeps everything together. And we've got 5 gain and 5 loading options here.
Is that dip switch driven or is it plug in?
Oh man, I think you're leading me into this. Okay, here's my opening to talk about dip switches. I don't much care for dip switches for low-level signals. The alloys are not so good. They're for handling high-voltage logic signals. That's about all they're good for. They're convenient, but I think that maybe convenience is not the issue here. We want performance. And so these are gold-plated post and a gold-plated shunt. And so we get a very high-class connection, very high-quality audiophile connection by moving the shunt from gold-plated pins to gold-plated pins.
I see it there, yeah.
And then when you put that on, it wipes the surface clean. And so you get a high contact pressure and a clean deal. And these cost no more than a dip switch. So it's not throwing money at stuff, it's making a better decision.
Well, you're one of the top designers in the business, so I trust your ears and your ability.
Well, thank you. I mean, like I say, you want to make good choices, and just throwing money at something's not a substitute for that. Like, for instance, I asked my metal fabricator, I said, can you do this? Can you bend these flaps up? And he said, yes. So by just asking the right question, we have shielded compartments. It's a nicer product, it didn't cost you any money.
That's true, yeah, I understand. Well, that's great. Well,
and also, black is a possibility.
Understood, okay, good.
And here's what it looks like the cover on.
Yeah, smart looking.
So it's it's a very high class, something to be proud of.
And it's for under $1,500.
It's $1,400.
That's great. Ron Sutherland Engineering, knocking another ball out of the park.
Thank you, Peter.
Okay, you're welcome. Great, thank you.